Good morning, children. Hope you people are doing well. Welcome to today's session, children. Today, we are going to read a very funny story, Little Bobby, from Unit 1. Little Bobby is a story of a boy named Bobby who wanted to have a bike as a birthday gift. The little boy was a bit troublemaker both at school and at home, and his mom is quite aware of it. Let us see if he got his gift or not. He went to the kitchen where his mother was preparing dinner and asked his mother to buy a red bike for him for his birthday. But the mother wanted to make Bobby think on his behavior and asked him to think about how he had behaved that year. She asked him to write a letter to God and tell him why he deserved a bike for his birthday. The boy became disappointed at the reply and stumped on the steps to his room. His pet dog Jessie followed him upstairs. He thought for a while and decided to write a letter to God. Jessie sat beside him and started watching the work of Bobby. He started writing a letter to God. The first letter what he wrote, Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year and I would like a bike for my birthday. I wanted a red one. Your friend Bobby. Bobby knew that this wasn't true. He had not been a very good boy this year. So he tore up the letter and started again to write another letter. The second letter was, Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you, your friend Bobby. Bobby knew that this wasn't true either, so he tore up the letter and started again. Now, the third letter, Dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. Bobby. Bobby knew he would not send this letter to God either, so Bobby tore the fourth letter. Now, the fourth letter he wrote, Dear God, I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I'm very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Please, thank you. Bobby knew that though he had behaved good, this letter would not fetch him a bike. This made him disappointed. He walked down the streets and told his mother that he is going to the church. Observing the disappointment on Bobby's face, she thought that her plan gave the result she expected. While Bobby, who was leaving for the church, his mother asked him to be in time for dinner. Bobby walked down the streets and reached the church on the corner. He entered the church and went up to the altar. He looked up and made sure that there was no one around. When he was sure that there was no people around, he bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the Mother of God. He hid the statue under his shirt and ran out of the church, down the streets, back to his house and reached his room. He closed his room's door, sat down with a paper and a pen, and he then wrote his fifth letter to God. He wrote a letter to God. In his letter, he said that he had kidnapped God's mother. He demanded God to send him a red bike if he wanted to see his mother again. This is the most humorous action of little Bobby because nobody can kidnap God's mother. Moreover, the boy demanded the gift rather than praying to God for it. It reveals the innocence of the boy. It is fun to know how children sometimes behave innocently to get things. So, children, I hope you people have enjoyed the story. Now, read the lesson, and it's time for you to take down the homework. You have to write a humorous story that you have read. Thank you.